What if I told you there's a low competition chemical business where demand is rising every year, imports dominate the market, and margins can quietly make you a millionaire? No hype, no trends, just real industrial demand. This is Potassium Schoenite manufacturing, and almost nobody is talking about it. Let's get real with numbers. Potassium Schoenite is widely used in fertilizers, especially for crops like fruits, vegetables, tea, and tobacco, basically high-value agriculture. India is one of the largest fertilizer consumers in the world, yet heavily dependent on imports for specialty fertilizers like this. India imports a significant portion of its potassium-based fertilizers. Global specialty fertilizer market is growing at 5 to 7% CAGR. Demand is rising due to high-value crop farming and soil deficiency issues. The shift is clear. Farmers are moving from basic fertilizers to nutrient-specific solutions. That means more demand, better pricing, less competition than commodity fertilizers. Let's be honest, this isn't a crowded startup space. Major players include SQM, Sociedad Química y Minera de Chile, K plus SAG, ICL Group. Here's the opportunity most people miss. These are global giants, but India still imports heavily. That creates a gap for domestic manufacturing. Let's cut the nonsense. Most startups fail because they chase trends. This is not a trend business. This is a demand-driven industry. Here's why it makes sense. Consistent demand, agriculture never stops. Better margins than bulk fertilizers. Low competition in India manufacturing. Import substitution opportunity. Repeat customers, farmers, distributors. If you're serious about building a long-term industrial business, this is the kind of sector you should be looking at. Not dropshipping or random apps. Timing matters. And right now, the timing is perfect. Here's why. Government pushing self-reliance. India wants to reduce imports in chemicals and fertilizers. Rising demand for high-quality crops. Export-oriented farming needs better fertilizers. Untapped MSME opportunity. Big players aren't focused on small-scale regional supply. Scalability. Start small, expand, build distribution, go national. High entry barrier, less competition. Most people are scared of chemical manufacturing. That's exactly why profits exist. Let's be honest. You don't fail because of lack of ideas. You fail because you don't know execution. NIIR, Projects Consultancy Services. NPCS comes in. NPCS provides detailed project reports, manufacturing process guidance, cost to profit analysis, market feasibility studies, licensing or compliance support. Basically, they remove the guesswork. If you're serious, you don't figure it out yourself, you use experts. This is where most people are ignorant and lose advantage. You can get support through MSME schemes, subsidies, easier loans, Startup India Initiative, Credit Linked Capital Subsidy Scheme, CLCSS, state-level industrial subsidies. Plus, chemical manufacturing often gets land, power, and tax benefits in industrial zones. If you're not leveraging government incentives, you're just leaving money on the table. Let me be blunt. This is not a get-rich-quick business. But if you build it right, you're entering high-demand industrial sector with low competition and scalable profits. That's how people quietly build multi-crore businesses. Not through trends, but through industries like this. If you're serious about building a real business, not just chasing hype, start researching Potassium Schoenite manufacturing today. And if you want a ready roadmap, check out NPCS project reports. Because opportunities like this don't stay hidden forever.